The best way to use protein to build muscle, based on science. If you've ever wondered why some people pack on muscle effortlessly while others struggle despite eating tons of protein, you're not alone. The truth is, protein is crucial for muscle growth, but if you're not using it correctly, you could be wasting your efforts. Today, we're diving deep into the science of protein and uncovering the best way to use it to build muscle effectively. And trust me, what you're about to learn could completely change your fitness game. First, let's bust a common myth. A lot of people think that just eating more protein automatically leads to more muscle. But here's the reality: your body doesn't store excess protein the way it does with fat or carbs. That means if you consume too much at the wrong times, your body simply breaks it down and eliminates it instead of using it for muscle repair. The secret isn't just eating more protein, it's eating it the right way. But wait, what if I told you that when you eat protein is just as important as how much you eat? Stick around, because up next, we'll reveal the best timing strategy backed by science to maximize muscle growth. So, when should you consume protein for maximum muscle building benefits? Studies show that your body is most primed to absorb and use protein immediately after a workout. This period, known as the anabolic window, lasts for about 30 to 60 minutes after you train. During this time, your muscles are like sponges, soaking up nutrients to repair and grow. That's why having a high-quality protein source, like a whey protein shake or lean chicken breast, right after your workout can significantly boost muscle recovery and growth. But here's where things get even more interesting. What if I told you that spreading your protein intake throughout the day can be even more effective than loading up at one meal? Stay tuned, because this next tip might completely change the way you eat. Instead of eating all your protein in just 1 or 2 meals, research suggests that evenly distributing it throughout the day leads to better muscle synthesis. Think about it, your muscles are constantly repairing and growing, not just after a workout. By giving your body a steady supply of protein every few hours, you maintain an optimal environment for muscle growth all day long. Aim for about 20-30 grams of protein per meal, whether it's from eggs at breakfast, chicken at lunch, or fish at dinner. But wait, there's one more key factor that many people overlook. What kind of protein should you be consuming? Because not all protein sources are created equal. Up next, we'll break down the best types of protein that fuel muscle growth the fastest. When it comes to building muscle, quality matters. Animal-based proteins like chicken, beef, fish, and dairy provide all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for muscle growth. But if you're vegan or vegetarian, don't worry. You can still build muscle with plant-based proteins like lentils, quinoa, and tofu. Just make sure to mix different sources to get a complete amino acid profile. And if you're looking for fast absorption, whey protein is a game changer. It digests quickly and delivers amino acids straight to your muscles when they need them the most. Now that you know the best way to use protein for muscle growth, let's recap. First, focus on timing. Consume protein within the anabolic window after your workout. Second, spread your protein intake evenly throughout the day for continuous muscle synthesis. And third, choose high-quality protein sources, whether animal-based, plant-based, or supplements like whey protein. Follow these science-backed strategies, and you'll see real results in your muscle-building journey. So, are you ready to optimize your protein intake and take your muscle gains to the next level? Let me know in the comments what your favorite protein source is. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness tips based on real science. Your transformation starts now. Remember, building muscle isn't just about working out, it's about fueling your body the right way. Stay consistent, trust the process, and watch your results skyrocket. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.